Hello friends, I hope you are doing well today. This is Odie Boggs and my mom Kelly Jo, and we're of Boggs Family Ministries. Some of you have requested that we continue the Word for Wednesday videos that my dad recorded and posted here for a few years before his death at the end of 2024. And we love those Word for Wednesday videos, and if you're new to the channel, you can go back in our playlist and see the past Word for Wednesdays that Dad did post here. There are some still great nuggets in those that we like to go back and watch even today. But at this time, we don't feel like we can commit to doing weekly Wednesday videos. Isn't that right, Mom?
That's right.
But every once in a while, who knows, there might be a once in a while wild, wacky Wednesday video from
once in a while word for Wednesday.
Yeah, or wordless Wednesday.
Wordless, yes.
We don't know exactly what we're doing, but we do have a video that we wanted to share with you today. And thank you for joining us.
I've had a song on my mind this week. And we had to reach way back in the vault, pull off the lyrics and see how it goes, because we recorded it a long time ago.
2003.
2003.
Or this is not supposed to be free project.
I used to love to hear Davy sing this. He didn't sing it a lot, but he did. And actually, we wrote it along with Brother Rick Combs from Bond, Kentucky. Brother Rick, he sent us his thoughts in his poetic fashion that only he can do. He's so good.
Yeah, we love you, Brother Rick.
Yes, and so he sent us this and said, do something with this. So we took it and we just started trying to make a song out of it. So that's what we did.
We still lived in Kansas back.
We did, yeah, lived in Kansas. Yes, it's been a long time ago, but it's been on my mind, and I just wanted to reach back and pull it out today.
A life filled with wonder, everything's in place. Just one moment of pleasure has left you in disgrace. You're looking for an exit from this place you've walked into. Could God be so understanding that He would rescue you? I need to tell your friend, defeat is not the end. There's power to restore when sin has left you blind. Power to renew your heart, your soul,